Okay, here we go. SRFM. They've been breaking out. I would say this is about 6 or 7 days into a run. It's hitting new highs now. Well, broke out of this pattern at least. Ones like these tend to go up really fast. It'll get extended, maybe even run all the way up to $8 quickly. And then it will come crashing down. So you have to be fast with them, but this thing has potential. Definitely want to put that on a watch list. Okay, SYM. There's another one breaking out. I bought it in position over here, put in half my position, and I put another half my position on this pullback. And sure enough, boom, 20% gain in one day. Oh, it was up 20% one point. Still, one like that should continue to keep breaking out. I took off half my position just because 20% huge gain in one day. Got out just slightly higher than it is now. It's probably going to keep going up, so I want to get all of it out of there. Okay, DJT, another one that's been running since about 13 days into a run, but it looks like it's going to keep continuing. Just did a moving average crossover right there. Moving average convergent divergence looking good. It's breaking out. That thing keeps getting stronger and stronger. 125, 150. I mean, it's getting high, but it looks like it wants to try and test this 150 or no 50 area. So we'll see if it can do that. But just keep an eye on it. Okay, here's a brand new one. Looks like it is just breaking out. Brand new. Keep an eye on it. It looks like it wants to finally keep going up. After a 60% correction or so. This happens all the time. You could run back up to 100, no problem. Give it a couple months. But could also meander down here for a while. This looks strong. That huge volume breakout is your big clue. And then just the jump over all the moving averages. Touched it, found support on it. Say that's about 2 or 3 different buy signals or indicators going on there. And plus it's Celsius, so they're not going anywhere. They should have some growth ahead. Okay, that's net. Yeah, that just looks nice. Well, high volume breakout. Yeah, it just looks like it wants to go up. Keep an eye on it, but it looks like it wants to try and go up, up, and away. We'll see if it does, but there's better ones. I like buying off bottoms instead of buying off of breakouts, but it still has potential. The tight moving averages. Your stop loss would have to be way down here by the moving averages. There's better ones, but that's still, it caught my eye, so what do you want to watch? Okay, here's another one that I've owned. Bought on this breakout here. Only bought 50 shares, I should have bought more. But that almost shook me out there. I'm thinking about selling it soon just because it's so up so fast. But it looks like it wants to keep going up. Those indicators are strong. It just looks like it wants to keep going up. I'll keep it tight. Stop. Profit stop on it so I can keep my profit. It just looks like it wants to keep going up. So 2 after hours. See, it's still going up. It's only 30 cents, but still. Okay, yep, definitely want to keep that one on your watch list. Okay, here's another one I got in 4 days ago, 5 days ago. These moving averages look great over here. Yeah, that one, it looks like it wants to go higher. It's finally at, see, all-time highs. It's been higher, but it's never closed that high. So all-time highs it is. And it just looks like a beaut. And people are piling into it. So Look at all that green. I mean, we got 6, 7 days of green or red versus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, it just looks promising. Oh, that line just telling you when it starts to separate like that. You just pay attention to those lines. The dotted one, the red line. As they start to separate, it tends to always have a big breakout. Not always, but a lot of the times it'll start just like this. Whew, sure enough, bam, bam, bam. 3 days in a row, up pretty good. 20% gain in 5 days is nothing to sneeze at. Especially when the market's still a little haywire. But this is how baby bulls are. It's only a couple years old. That thing just looked beautiful. Definitely got to keep that on a watch list. It looks like it wants to just keep going higher. Yeah, if it can stay above that and keep building to that little stair stepping up like it's doing. Stair step. Doop, 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 doop. Hopefully it just keeps stair stepping. Patterns repeat, so this is a stair stepper. Okay, so this would. Alright, well that looks like an engulfing. Engulfing buy. You see how it engulfs the whole entire previous day? That's an engulfing. That's one of the most successful buy signals. Dragons, engulfings, and springboards are basically the 3 most successful buy signals. Buy patterns, coupled with handle, probably the best. I like buying on bottoms rather than as things are breaking on new highs, but both work. Both strategies work. I do both, so I shouldn't say I don't like it. I do both. I just prefer buying from bottoms like this one. Right, has support. Okay, it's fun to watch. Okay, this one, I think this one is like the beauty. Yeah, that one just looks beautiful. That's the type of buys for sure. Right off of a platform. Breaking out, busting out over the moving averages. This thing just looks beautiful. It's going into accumulation. Anything over 50 is accumulation. So it went from basically distribution for a long time, under 50, to bam, we're being accumulated again. Not that much volume, but in a couple days, I bet you some volume will flow into it, and it will like run up to 30 or something. We'll see if the market continues up. Obviously, it's all predicates on the indexes being up for the day too. Okay. Oh. Bad habit. NNE, just another one that looks decent. It's looking uglier right now, but just keep an eye on it. I wouldn't say buy it now though. Keep an eye on it. Nano nuclear energy. Crap, I'm not gonna do that again. AGL just looks like it's bottoming. It's ugly, but keep an eye on it. Maybe it'll bottom out. Okay, another one. It's ugly but not a favor, but now it just looks like it's getting into favor. That consolidation sideways is building strength to the upside. So it just looks like it has potential to break out. And if it does, it'll go probably 100%. So definitely want to keep that on a watch list. Okay, IoT, that's another example of things breaking on to at least near new highs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. These are often some of the best. They are some of the best. That's why I like some of them. I like them when they're breaking out the new highs like that, and there's no resistance ahead. Like nobody's ever bought at that high before. So there's nobody like, oh, I'm gonna sell out because I've been sitting on a loss for so long. Nobody's sitting on a loss in this stock. Nobody. No matter basically when you bought it, you're not sitting on a loss. No. Only when you panic and buy things here and then sell them there and then buy them up there. I mean, even if you bought it there, they would have been fine. But yeah, it just looks like it wants to keep going up. Alright, look at some silver because I've seen these breaking up. I don't really buy into commodity silver and gold stocks. These ones look like they want to keep going higher. Gato. Okay. Yeah, I haven't spent too much time on those, but they do look like they want to keep going higher. So silver probably be a decent investment still. Another one near new highs. It's about to break out though, I bet you. I bet you it's gonna break out and just keep on going to bust past all this. Just a little bit more resistance ahead. Probably gonna pull back soon though. That's 40 to 60 in 3-4 weeks. Needs to consolidate some of those gains. Okay, MU. Yeah, that one just looks beautiful. The tight moving averages caught my eye. And it's not the most beautiful thing, but it definitely looks like it wants to go test that 150 again. See if it can break into new highs. Depending on the fundamentals and stuff. I mean, I don't spend a lot of time talking about fundamentals, but I do a quick Investors Business Daily search on most of these, and I just know this company has decent fundamentals. Just not sure of any exact sales or earnings, return on equity for all of these, but easy enough to get on Investors Business Daily. Just download the app for free and plug this ticker symbol in and search. Boom, it'll give you a good idea how well the company's doing fundamentally. Okay. Another one that's breaking out. Yep, broke out into new territory. Characteristics have changed. Wasn't able to get over this for the longest time. Struggled there, struggled there. Now it's finally broken out past. Probably gonna come back and test, but I bet you it won't go too far below here. If it does, might just keep stair-stepping up. Either way, good one to watch. This market's already been in a rally. It's just you go through rotations. Sometimes stocks are out of favor, then they're in favor. That's what you see. Like with that, it's out of favor, and then all of a sudden it's cheap enough. Let's start buying it up again. And that's exactly what happens. Same thing right here. I think it's been beaten up enough. Let's just start accumulating some of this again. And they accumulated, dark pools, boop, 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 creeping in there, not disrupting the price much. He's happy to pay us, then 5 to 10 points, whatever. And boom, boom, boom. Just starts breaking out. And whoa, that moving average will just keep going. It'll keep following that moving average up. I don't know why, but that's just how it does it. Looks great. Looks fine. Buy yourself some snow. No, you don't have to buy that. But you can if you want to. It's up to you entirely. I cannot recommend anything, but if you know what you're doing, do it. Alright, well that's enough analysis for the day. You guys have a good night.